there, and welcome back to video number 2 of my video training series, Quick and Easy Meal Planning and Meal Prep. My name is Leslie Thompson, founder of 80 Day Obsession, Meal Planning Made Easy, and What's Working Here. And I am so glad to be back here with you. In this video, we're going to talk about meal prep. But more importantly, I'm also going to show you how this training will help you stick with your meal plan. In video number 1, we talked about meal planning, which was intended to help you get on track with your nutrition and lose weight. So if you haven't seen that video, go back now and watch it, and then come back to this one. Today I'm going to build on what we've already learned by talking about meal prepping. This will help you break free of eating not so good for you convenience foods and get you on track toward eating healthier so that you can reach your desired weight loss and fitness goals. We have a lot to cover today, so be sure you have some paper and a pen to take notes and follow along. The truth is that trying to eat healthy can be pretty frustrating sometimes. Most healthy foods require a little bit of preparation. They're not all packaged up and ready to grab and go like a bag of chips. And that means that if you've ever snacked on a bag of chips or a processed snack from the vending machine, you're totally normal. Even so, you can't let those conveniences stand in your way of reaching your weight loss and fitness goals. There is a way to make healthy, nutritious food just as easy to grab on the go. That's why in this video, we're going to get super practical and talk about meal prep. So are you ready to dig in? Meal prep isn't something I do all the time, but when I'm following a fitness program and want to really tone up, it's the only thing I've found that helps keep me on track. Prepping meals makes them easy to grab and go. It saves you time during the week and eliminates any excuses for not eating what you should. For me, Sundays are a great day to meal prep. I like to do 3 to 4 days at a time. If you get overwhelmed by meal prep, I would suggest only doing a couple of days at a time. To make meal prep even easier, consider repeating meals on your meal plan. I usually pick 2 breakfast meals, 2 morning snacks, and 2 afternoon snacks for the week, and then just alternate them. This way you can get the ingredients out once and make several servings at the same time. Having multiple reusable containers is essential. You can use various size containers. I really like these black ones I got off Amazon. After you've done your meal planning and have gone grocery shopping or had your groceries delivered, it's time to meal prep. I suggest going down your menu and prepping each meal and snack in order. If you get overwhelmed and run out of steam, you can always finish later. If you're having something like chicken or brown rice more than once during the week, cook it all at once and then portion it out. Same with snacks. If strawberries are on the menu, cut and portion the strawberries out for the week. Wash off and reuse cutting boards or mixing bowls so you're not generating a heap of dishes. Pre-cooking and portioning out your meals sets you up for the week so you can just grab, reheat if necessary, and go. Instead of viewing your eating plan as limiting and thinking about what you can have, you can look forward to what you can eat and know that it's ready to go. Okay, so let's do a quick review of what we learned today. After planning your meals and buying your groceries, set aside some time to prep your meals into ready-to-go containers. Repeating meals makes planning and prep even quicker. It's a lot of info, so be sure to review your notes and try to take action right away. And speaking of taking action, before we go today, I want you to leave a comment right below this video and tell me what you plan to meal prep this week or your favorite meals to prep ahead. In the next video, I'm going to show you the exact track to run on to get the best shape of your life. If you're overwhelmed by meal planning, this is going to be a game changer for you. Speaking of getting in the best shape of your life, I've also been getting a lot of questions about 80 Day Obsession Meal Planning Made Easy. In the next video, I'll tell you about it and how you can get started. You've learned the basics of meal planning and meal prep, which will make staying on track with your nutrition easy and doable. Next up, we'll talk about how to take the next step toward mastering meal planning for 80 Day Obsession. I'll see you in the next video.